with health and strength. I don't think I have any tickets outstanding this time. I paid it. So here to introduce us to this year's Lasco's Police Officer of the Year contestants, and I will do the introduction, but with me is Lasco Brand Manager Renee Rose, and also here Inspector Natalie Palmer. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Renee, you guys been doing this for about almost 20 years.
Yes, 18 to be specific.
And it's not only the police officers, but let's deal with the police officers. They're here. Why you guys continue to do this?
Because it is something that we need to publicly acknowledge members of the force for their dedication and their professionalism. These men seek to...
And women.
And female, yes. So these individuals, they are hardworking policemen. They serve and protect our nation, and we are most grateful. So this initiative is pretty much to motivate them and acknowledge their dedication.
Okay, before I get a quick word, where are we now? What happens after we
are currently at the national level. Okay. So we have gone through the divisional selection, area selection, and now at the national level. So tomorrow, an interview will determine which of these 9 finalists will take home the coveted title of the Police Officer of the Year.
Let me jump in and just give me a little room here beside Inspector Natalie. Inspector Natalie, I understand your rank. You couldn't be the Police Officer of the Year, but how important is this for the men and women of the...
It is very important, and in 2000 when the Honorable Lasco said that we were demotivated and we wanted to boost the morale, that is still relevant, and that is what is happening now. So our members look forward each year, gravitate towards it. We have thousands of persons who are nominated, and that brings us down to the divisional level to about 30, and then from that now we have the 9 area winners. So it really motivates us. We have members who would have gone beyond the call of just doing JCF work. They would have been adopting schools, and this is from their pockets, mentoring children, paying school fees, and it just shows that when you do that, you want somebody to say, yes, we appreciate what you're doing, and that is what is happening.
Great. All right, let me go down the line here now. With Constable Jordy and Allen, I see that you're from Area 1. Area 1 covers which area?
Area 1 covers Hanover, Westmoreland, St. James, and Trelawny.
Okay. Who nominated you?
Yes, my sergeant nominated me.
Do I win?
Most certainly. Without a doubt.
Tell the boss beside you. Detective Corporal Damian Leng from Area 2. And Area 2 is where?
St. Anne, St. Mary, and Portland.
Okay. How important is this to you?
Personally, it is very important to me because I want to be an example for all the youths, all the troubled youths, and I want to represent persons that are victims of crime and give them some justice.
You will win?
Yes, man.
Constable Davian Martin, area headquarters, which would be where, sir? That's what it says.
From Area 3, which is
Area
within
3.
Manchester, St. Elizabeth, and Clarendon.
Who dominated you?
Well, my youth club and also Assistant Superintendent Chair Cotton.
Why do you think they nominated you? What have you been
the
doing?
outstanding work I've been doing with the youth club since 2012.
Okay. Are you going to win?
Definitely.
Sergeant Jason Rodriguez, I feel like I must salute you, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Area 4, which is Kingston Western. How important is this for you?
It is very important because it sets a platform for me to advance my community involvement programs and also be an ambassador for Lasco and the JCF and to maximize my self-actualization in my disposition.
Brilliant. Give me one of the programs. You said programs. Give me one of
the programs is a homework center at the Admiralton Police Station.
And you would do what? You just monitor it? And
monitor it because we have volunteers who we coordinate their effort in providing mentorship and providing a learning process for children.
Beautiful. All right, I need this spot beside you now. Constable John Mayer Jones, Area 5, St. Andrew North. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How confident are you that you might win this?
I am very confident. My work, worth, and conduct is like no other. I will win.
Awesome, we're done with that. We agree with you. Me actually like you. Go down some more. Well, I am sorry. Detective Corporal Stacey and Stoner. Group 3, Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch. You cannot lose. Don't make them talk.
I will win. I will win.
I know you're going to win. Good morning.
Good morning.
Again, the question is the importance of an award like this, should you be the winner?
It is very important to me. This is a platform to expand my programs and to represent Lasco and the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Brilliant. Let me come right here. Corporal Andrew Williams. I coached Andy Williams, who could have played. This man, I don't look like him can play.
Yes, sir, you
Nothing
can
at all.
coach me as well.
Group 4.
Yes.
Where is that?
I am representing the Community Safety and Security Branch headquarters.
Okay. Do you know who nominated you?
Yes, my Sergeant Tanisha Johnson, Sergeant and mentor.
Can you think why you were nominated?
I think because she understands my stance on volunteerism and service above self. I am a humanitarian, and she sees that and she believes in me.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Sergeant Florizel Thompson, big time name. Group 6 Motorized Patrol. Morning, sir.
Morning to you.
How do you feel this morning?
Very confident. Very
You're
confident.
not nervous or nothing?
No.
So you win this?
We're all winners.
No, we're not all winners. You know, between me and you, we're not all winners. One person will win. And if you don't win, you are going to lose. Don't.
Well, the national platform that I would have gotten from this exposure, Jamaica know that we're all winners.
Brilliant. You're not all winners. Brilliant, sir. Let me go down here. Final Constable Noel Chang, Group 7 Mobile Reserve. Morning, sir.
Good morning to you.
So you're serious all the way?
Pretty much.
Smile on this TV, you know. Smile.
I thought I was smiling, but let me give you something.
Who nominated you?
My sub-officer, Inspector Paul Bent.
Why do you think you got nominated?
You would have said it was due to my professionalism, dedication, and my being a standard for all.
I didn't ask anyone this, but let me ask you, since I'm finishing now, why did you want to become a police officer in the first place?
Growing up watching the TVJ news every evening, I would have always admired the courage of the policemen and women charging into gunfire to restore law and order. I've always wanted to join that fight to make Jamaica a safer place.
Brilliant. Good luck to you all. I'll finish off with, I'll just stay right here, Renee. So tell me when we will find out. You already said they go to what? Interviews now and stuff?
Yes, so tomorrow is the national interview, and the winner will be announced on May 8th.
The interview would be what? What you're going to find out from them? Or you can't tell them yet?
No, not as yet, no.
Okay, brilliant. Good luck, everyone. Great to meet you. Great to meet you. We need you, and you all be safe. Please be safe. And I'm sure the winner will come back and have a chat with us. Let me see if our cameramen can do this for us now. Let me go back through everyone. First, we have Renee Rose, who is the brand manager at Lasco. Hold this for a minute, please. Then we have Inspector Natalie Palmer. Where my page gone? Okay. Constable Jordan Allen. There you go. Detective Corporal Damian Leng. Constable Davian Martin. Sergeant Jason Rodriguez. Constable John Mayer Jones. Detective Corporal Stacey Ann Stoner. Corporal Andrew Williams. Sergeant Floricel Thompson. And Constable Noel Chang. Brilliant. And good luck to you all. Thanks again for coming, and God bless.
Thanks for having us.
All right. That's it. We're going to go for a break. We'll soon come. Well, probably is the perfect time for the Lasco question. I don't. So which Lasco product holds 7 in a can? You will see the, well, the number is, numbers are 733-246-126. And if you get it right, you'll get this basket. There you go. Again, the question, which Lasco product holds 7 in a can? And you see a hint there. Kids love this. And the numbers are 733-246-126. All right, we go for a break, but on a lighter note, medical marijuana. With the police officers here? But it's medical, so them can't lock me up. Soon come. Stay with us, please.